got another mama and babies down in a hole by the railroad tracks. This hole's not as bad as before, but it's still tough to get to. All right. We put a blanket over the hole so she wouldn't be cold with her babies. But now we're going to see if we can get in there and get to her. I got in earlier and got a leash around her neck that Melanie's holding on to now. And now I'm going to see if I can get in there and see if she'll let me bring out the pups. So we got Mama and at least 4 pups. One of them looks hungry there. I thought I counted 5 pups earlier, but I may have just seen one laying on top of another and miscounted. But she's found herself a nice dry place. I've got my head stuck underneath the blanket. We're gonna see if we can get her out without scaring her and without making her run off.
Here we go. Here's one. There we go. There we go. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Let me get you here and cover you up. I'll cover you up. Ready?
Here comes 2.
2. Ah, here we go, baby. Let's get you here. Let's get you here. And let's cover you up. Okay, hang on. Here's 3. Here's 3. Oh, goodness. Gotcha. Gotcha. Whoops. Okay. Look at the little square. Yes. Okay, get him under. Get him under. And
4.
All right, here's 4. Oh, little fatties. Oh, little fatties. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, let's cover them up. Cover those little babies up. Cover those little babies up. Cover them up. Oh, it's so cold. Get up under there. All right, here's Mommy. All right, Kent. All right, here we go.
Come on. You're coming with us, sweetheart. Girl. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. This is our new sweet little girl. Yeah, she's such a good mama. Her little puppies are right back here behind her. Hee hee hee, look at those little pups. Look at those little pups. Hi, little buddies. Hi, little buddies. Yes. Mama and 4 pups. Another set of pups we had to dig out of a hole next to the train station, or next to the train tracks. Say hello to the street dog world, sweetheart. Say hello to the street dog world. Yes, baby. Look at these sweet little pups. That is a pile of pups, Tums. See, we got one little buddy over here. And we got another little buddy right here. This little guy laying across everybody. And then one little pup right there. The sweet little pup ears. Mama's still a little nervous, but that's okay, baby. It's okay, sweetheart. You're safe, I promise. It only gets better from here. It only gets better from here. We're going to take care of you and take care of your pups. It's going to be wonderful. And you're going to be so loved. Yes, baby girl, you're going to be so loved. We love you already. Yes, we do. We love you already.
Meet the Flintstones. They're the modern Stone Age family. From the town of Bedrock, they're a page right out of history. Let's ride with the family down the street, through the courtesy of friends to feet. When you're with the Flintstones, have a yabba dabba do time. A dabba do time. We'll have a good old time. Flintstones, meet the Flintstones. They're the modern Stone Age family. From the town of Bedrock, they're a page right out of history.